Transform your driving experience with the latest must-have car gadgets designed to elevate convenience, safety, and style. From smart parking systems to powerful chargers and portable inflators, these innovative tools are perfect for every road warrior. Whether you're looking to keep your ride organized, boost functionality, or add a futuristic edge, these gadgets deliver on all fronts. Get ready to upgrade your car with tech that makes every drive smoother, smarter, and more enjoyable. This compact gadget projects your speed directly onto your windshield, giving you real-time updates without needing to take your eyes off the road. It's not just about speed, it's packed with features like direction indication, overspeed alerts, and even travel time tracking. Whether you're navigating city streets or tearing up back roads, this heads-up display keeps you fully informed while maintaining that sleek, tech-savvy aesthetic. Installation is a breeze, making it an excellent choice even for those less tech-savvy. Beyond its practicality, the screen's sharp visibility in both day and night conditions adds a high-end, premium feel to your driving experience. And let's face it, having a GPS speedometer projected like you're piloting a jet? That's just plain cool. The YOAUZICN speedometer transforms your dashboard into something straight out of a sci-fi movie, while ensuring your drive is smarter and safer. Is what every audiophile dreams of when it comes to car sound systems. With a whopping 800 watts of raw power, it delivers bass so deep and crisp that it transforms your playlist into an in-car concert experience. This subwoofer doesn't just amplify sound, it fine-tunes every beat, drop, and rhythm to perfection. Whether you're rocking out to classic rock or vibing to smooth jazz, this beast ensures every note hits just right. It's an upgrade that doesn't just sound good, it feels good, rattling your senses with cinematic audio immersion. But what makes the SEVENTOUR truly next level is its durability and compact design. It fits seamlessly into your car setup without hogging all the space. The build quality screams high-end, ensuring this subwoofer can handle your wild road trips without skipping a beat. If you're serious about elevating your car's sound system, the SEVENTOUR subwoofer brings the punch, power, and premium audio vibes to every drive. But it's the ultimate game changer for keeping your car organized. Designed to fit securely onto your car's headrest, these hooks provide a sturdy spot to hang bags, groceries, backpacks, or even your favorite camping gear. The days of items spilling onto your backseat are over. With a weight capacity that'll surprise you, these hooks are ready to take on the messiest of road trips while keeping your car clutter-free. Crafted from durable, high-quality materials, these hooks are built to last, even with daily use. Their sleek, low-profile design blends seamlessly into any car interior without looking out of place. Whether you're heading to the gym, the store, or out on a road trip, the car hook's holder adds a practical touch of convenience to your driving experience. The Armor All cleaning wipes are an all-in-one solution for keeping your car looking spotless and showroom ready. These wipes are like a Swiss Army knife for cleaning, offering protectant, glass, and all-surface cleaning all in one package. The protectant wipes work wonders on your dashboard and trim, restoring that rich, black finish while protecting it from UV damage and cracking. Meanwhile, the glass wipes leave your windshield streak-free and crystal clear, perfect for ensuring a safe, glare-free drive every time. What's impressive is how effortlessly these wipes handle even the toughest messes. Spilled coffee on the center console? Fingerprints on the screen? Dust on the dashboard? Armor All's got you covered. Compact and portable, these wipes fit snugly in your glove compartment, ensuring you're always armed against unexpected messes. The Armor All wipes are a simple yet powerful way to maintain your car's pristine condition without breaking a sweat. Redefine hands-free convenience with a sleek, secure, and ultra-functional design. This universal phone mount is crafted for drivers who want both style and substance. With its strong suction cup and adjustable arm, it fits snugly on your dashboard, windshield, or even air vent, giving you endless positioning options. Whether you're navigating with GPS or taking hands-free calls, the sturdy grip ensures your phone stays put, even on bumpy roads. The 360-degree rotatable head provides the flexibility to switch between portrait and landscape modes effortlessly. What sets MIRACASE apart is the simplicity of use and its compatibility with nearly every smartphone on the market. Installation is a breeze, and the durable build ensures long-term use without losing grip or stability. Plus, the soft silicone padding protects your phone from scratches, so you can enjoy both convenience and peace of mind. The MIRACASE phone holders are a must-have for any driver looking to streamline their tech setup while keeping their focus on the road. But it packs a big punch in both functionality and style. Designed to fit perfectly in your car's cup holders, these coasters keep spills, condensation, and grime from turning your interior into a sticky mess. Crafted from high-quality silicone, they're not only durable, but also super easy to clean. Just rinse them under water, and they're good as new. They even add a touch of personalization, coming in various colors and designs to match your car's vibe. What makes these coasters next level is the anti-slip material that ensures your drinks stay stable, even during sharp turns or sudden stops. No more worrying about soda cans or coffee cups wobbling around. Their snug fit and lightweight design mean they're easy to install and remove without any hassle. The SINGARO coasters are the perfect blend of utility and aesthetics, proving that even the smallest details can elevate your driving experience. The LEBOGNER steering wheel tray transforms your car into a mobile workstation or dining table in seconds. This lightweight yet durable tray hooks onto your steering wheel effortlessly, creating a flat, stable surface for laptops, notebooks, or even meals during a quick break. Whether you're a busy professional working on the go or a road tripper enjoying some fast food, this tray ensures comfort and practicality. Its dual-sided design offers a smooth surface for writing or working, and a textured side with cup holders to prevent spills while eating. Compact and easy to store, the LEBOGNER tray fits neatly in your backseat or trunk when not in use. It's made of high-quality materials that ensure durability without adding unnecessary weight. The best part? It's universally compatible with almost any steering wheel, making it a versatile addition to your car accessories. The LEBOGNER steering wheel tray is a genius solution for turning downtime into productive or enjoyable moments on the road. No matter the weather or road conditions, this handy gadget features a long, ergonomic handle and a pivoting microfiber head, allowing you to clean hard-to-reach corners with ease. It's perfect for tackling fog, dirt, and smudges, making your driving experience safer and your view unobstructed. The included microfiber cloths are washable and reusable, making it a sustainable and cost-effective cleaning solution. Whether you're dealing with morning dew, streaks from wipers, or everyday dust, the Astro AI cleaner gets the job done without the need for harsh chemicals. Its compact design makes it easy to store in your car, so it's always ready when you need it. The Astro AI windshield cleaner is a game changer for anyone who values a clear, spotless windshield, combining practicality with excellent performance to keep your car in tip-top shape. Is like having a personal parking coach guiding you into your garage with precision every single time. This clever device uses dual laser guidance to help you park perfectly, no matter how tight the space. Mounted on your garage ceiling, the lasers activate as soon as your vehicle enters, creating an easy-to-follow visual reference that ensures you stop at just the right spot. It's perfect for protecting your car from bumps and scratches while maximizing garage space for other uses. What sets this system apart is its simplicity and effectiveness. No more tennis balls on strings or guesswork. This is modern tech working for you. Plus, it supports 2 vehicles simultaneously, making it ideal for multi-car households. The installation is straightforward, and the lasers are adjustable to fit vehicles of all shapes and sizes. The Fosmon Parking Assist is a must-have for anyone who values their car and wants a stress-free parking experience every time they pull into the garage. Combining style, versatility, and powerful performance in one compact gadget. This innovative charger features a retractable cable system that keeps your car clutter-free while delivering fast, reliable charging for your devices. With multiple charging heads, including USB-C and Lightning, it's compatible with almost any modern gadget, making it the perfect road companion for multi-device households. Its sleek design fits snugly into any car outlet, and the retractable feature ensures cables don't get tangled or in the way during your drive. Built with high-speed charging technology, it powers up your devices quickly and efficiently, whether you're topping up a phone, tablet, or GPS. The YAOUZICN charger is a lifesaver for road trips, daily commutes, or anytime you're on the go, blending functionality and convenience in a way that few car accessories can match. Compact yet powerful, this portable air compressor can inflate your tires in minutes, ensuring you're never stranded with a flat. Featuring a digital pressure gauge with an auto shutoff function, it takes the guesswork out of tire inflation, stopping automatically when the desired pressure is reached. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend adventurer, this inflator is a lifesaver in emergencies. Beyond tires, its versatility shines with attachments for inflating sports balls, bike tires, and even air mattresses, making it a handy gadget for camping trips and home use. The built-in LED light adds an extra layer of safety for nighttime roadside fixes. The Astro AI Inflator is robust, easy to use, and small enough to fit in your trunk or glove box. It's the perfect blend of convenience and reliability, ensuring you're always ready for the unexpected on the road. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow car enthusiasts, and let us know in the comments which gadget impressed you the most. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next one.